everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a new video. This is another hair review. I actually haven't done a hair review in a very long time. This hair was sent from UNice hair company. This is the state of the hair right now, which is a bit for me, and basically I'm just going to show you guys what I do every day to get my Bodywave hair to look like Bodywave hair. And I'll also be telling you guys how I lay my frontal, because you know everyone's been rocking frontals these days. It looks good when it's done good, but the thing that a lot of people find hard is how to maintain the frontal. So they go to the salon, they get it slayed, and then when they get home and they have to take off the wig, they don't know how to get it back again. So I've been rocking frontals for the last couple of months. I'm kind of new to it as well, but I want to share with you guys my tips and tricks. But I'm going to get straight into it because I've been talking a bit too much. I have to, this is not relevant, but I have to gloss my lips. I can't do matte lipstick anymore. What I really dread about Bodywave sometimes with some companies' hair is that the Bodywave pattern does not pattern. Literally, the pattern does not pattern. I want a wave that will stay the following day and the following day and the following week, at least, so that every morning I don't have to do what I'm doing now, which I do. And I've done a review for UNice hair before. They sent me their straight hair. Their straight hair is lush. I will not even argue about their straight hair. Their straight hair is a lush, right? Their hair in general is lush, but for some reason their Bodywave pattern doesn't stay. So I have to do this every morning and every time I'm going out. Create waves, which I don't like because it's applying heat every day, and I try to avoid heat with AliExpress hair. With hair in general, to be fair. Cool. So this is what I literally have to do every morning, so it's not too bad, and then I'll just style it like this. Style it like that. This is the look. The wig is holding literally 2 bundles, if not 1 and a bit, because I don't like my hairs too heavy these days. If you want your frontal to look good, it really does depend on where you get your frontal from, because this is the best frontal I've ever worn. The lace on UNice's frontal is near enough transparent, so literally when I bleach it, it just makes it more transparent. I used a door dye to tint the lace to my skin colour, so I used 2 shades, which was honey brown and mocha. And the plucking, easy. They sent me a pre-plucked frontal, which means that I had to do less plucking, and because I can't really pluck as well as I would like to, it turned out amazing. Ooh, hello. Ooh, this is a red carpet look. Right, I don't get the got to be glue spray, whatever. I don't blow dry it, that's long. I don't even wear that colour skin hairnet underneath. It's literally just a black plain, like, I don't know, bakery shop net, and then I put the wig on top to protect my cameras. Gel my baby hairs with the toothbrush and spray water. So I use water and gel on my baby hairs, and I also use the gel as the glue, you could say. So I put the gel on literally the rims of the lace, and then I get my straightener. This bit, not a lot of people will probably find this ideal, but it's ideal for me, and I'm very careful with it. So I get my hot straightener. After I've gelled down the lace and the baby hairs, I literally burn the lace, not burn the lace, I like heat the baby hairs and the lace down. So this is the heat. Instead of using a blow dryer, you can use a blow dryer because it's more safe than applying literally a hot straightener to literally your forehead, but it works really well for me. I'll reapply the gel, heat the baby hairs down, take it off, repeat. I've worn it for like a week and a bit, and it's still really good hair. If I ordered Bodywave hair, I would expect to have Bodywave hair. The same way I'd order straight hair, it doesn't come all crinkled and waved up, like, if you know what I mean. So yeah, if you know any tips for me to lay a good frontal, to prepare a good frontal, then please comment down below, because I'm still trying. It's all about trial and error, and you discover so many things. I can't tell you how many times my frontals have flopped before. There's a lot of reviews on UNice hair, and it's like a very debatable company, because you have people who don't F with the company and people that love the company, and I'm one of the people that love the company. I haven't had one bad experience with UNice hair. I remember reviewing their Indian Bodywave hair. Lush. Their closure was lush. Like, it was just amazing. Go and look for that video. It was literally the best like hair I had back then. But yeah, I ain't got a bad thing to say about UNice hair, apart from maybe the Bodywave pattern and a tiny bit of shedding, but that's due to me probably cutting the wefts. As I do, their frontals on point, closures are on point, and yeah. So yeah, I'm loving it. But I used to love thick hair, but now I'm all for like thin, natural looking hair. And I don't mean natural looking hair as in I'm black and this looks natural. I mean the feel of it, the look of it looks natural. It's not heavy, it's not too much, like it's not heavy, it's not like too much on my head. It's just right, and it's not like, that's really it for this hair, and really how I maintain my frontal wigs. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys actually like the look of this hair, because I am trying to show you guys hair that I can only, literally any hair that I rock, that's when I'll show you guys. I will never review hair that I wouldn't rock, and I will never tell you guys to buy hair that I personally wouldn't buy with my own money. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out other reviews as well. All the links will be in the description box. I might have a code to give you guys as well, and I think they have sales on as well. So yeah, go and look for the hair. So just to remind you that I had 28, 28, 20, yeah, I had 28, 28, 26, 24 and a 20 frontal. So yeah, see you guys soon.